Ryan Reynolds here for, I guess, my 100th Mint commercial. No, don't. No. I mean, honestly, when I started this, I thought I only have to do like 4 of these. I mean, it's unlimited premium wireless for $15 a month. How are there still people paying 2 or 3 times that much? I'm sorry, I shouldn't be victim blaming here. Give it a try at mintmobile.com/save. Whenever you're ready.
$45 upfront payment equivalent to $15 per month. New customers on first 3-month plan only. Taxes and fees extra. Speed slower above 40 gigabytes. See details.
Welcome to Bytes of Health, where we hope to take a bite out of your parent worries each day with sound advice and guidance. Every morning, we'll answer a commonly asked pediatric question in 5 minutes or less. I'm your host and public health scientist, Dr. Jess Steyer, and today I'm going to address a common concern among parents: aluminum in vaccines. The clock is ticking, so let's get to it. So why is aluminum used in some vaccines? So aluminum salts have been used in vaccines for over 30 years as something called an adjuvant. So adjuvants help boost the immune response and basically make vaccines more effective. This means that we can use smaller amounts of the actual disease-fighting antigen and fewer doses to achieve immunity. Now, not all vaccines contain aluminum. So, for example, MMR, chickenpox, and polio vaccines do not use it. But the ones that do have been extensively tested for safety, and I'll explain more about that in just 1 second. So, how much aluminum is in vaccines compared to other sources? The amount of aluminum in vaccines is extremely, extremely small. In the first 6 months of life, an infant might receive about 4 milligrams of aluminum from vaccines total. For comparison, breastfed infants ingest about 7 milligrams from breast milk in the same period. So again, you're talking 4 milligrams from vaccines and about 7 milligrams from breast milk in the same period. Formula-fed babies get even more, about 38 milligrams. Now, aluminum is naturally present in food, water, and air, with adults typically ingesting about 7 to 9 milligrams daily through their diet. So is the aluminum in vaccines harmful? Extensive research has shown that the amount of aluminum in vaccines is safe. And I'm not just talking public health agencies like government. We're talking peer-reviewed research from independent scientists, universities, scholars. We have had endless studies on the safety of aluminum. Our bodies efficiently process and eliminate it mainly through the kidneys. Studies have found no evidence of toxicity or long-term health effects from vaccine-related aluminum exposure. The tiny amount in vaccines is far below the levels that could cause harm, even in infants. What about concerns linking aluminum to neurological conditions? Despite some claims, there is no scientific evidence linking aluminum in vaccines to autism, Alzheimer's disease, or any other neurological conditions. Multiple large-scale studies have found no connection. For example, a 2011 study in the journal Pediatrics, this was a large study. It found no increased risk of developmental or neurological disorders in children who received aluminum-containing vaccines compared to those who did not. How do health authorities ensure the safety of aluminum in vaccines? Vaccine safety is closely monitored by organizations like the CDC, the FDA, and the World Health Organization. These agencies continuously review new research and safety data. The amounts of aluminum used in vaccines are strictly regulated and have been repeatedly confirmed as safe. Moreover, post-marketing surveillance systems are in place to detect any rare adverse events that might not be caught in clinical trials. All right, well, I hope you learned something, and we have lots more to share. You can get your Bite of Health every day, Monday through Friday. If you like what you've heard here, please let us know. Leave us a review and be sure to tell your friends. Remember, there is no single or best way to parent. Parenting is a journey, and we are all just doing our very best. We wish you happy, healthy, and stress-free parenting.
If you're listening to this podcast, then we know you love learning. So let me tell you about Airwave History Plus, now available on Apple Podcasts. Airwave History Plus is your ticket to ad-free listening, bonus content, and early episodes from dozens of the most popular history podcasts, including History That Doesn't Suck, The Explorers Podcast, The History of World War II, Queen's Podcast, The History of Egypt, The Age of Napoleon, and more. For your free trial, search Airwave History Plus on Apple Podcasts and hit subscribe. That's Airwave History Plus, available now on Apple Podcasts. Airwave History Plus, the essential audio destination for history lovers.